Not every service needs to be available to everyone. Service subscriptions allow you to control which users and groups can access the service and raise requests against it. When a service is first created, it is open to everyone. Every user can see the service on their portal and raise requests against it, which is reflected in the subscription panel. That changes as soon as the first subscriber is added. Once a single user or group is subscribed, the service becomes restricted. And from that point onwards, only explicitly subscribed users and groups can see the service. In other words, subscriptions work by exception. A service starts fully open, and adding subscribers narrows access down to the specific users and groups that need it. Let's take a look at how this works. From the subscription panel, we can see the available options for adding subscribers. You can subscribe an entire company, department, or team, allowing everyone within that group to access the service. You can also subscribe by site to provide access based on a location, or add an individual user directly. Let's see how this looks in practice. Starting from the employee portal, the My Services widget shows the services currently available to me: desktop support and Mac support. Now we'll remove the individual subscription and instead subscribe the user through a team. Even though the direct user subscription has been removed, the service is still available on the portal because membership of the subscribed team provides the same access. Service subscriptions give you a flexible way to control service visibility, allowing you to start with open access and then narrow it down to exactly the users and groups who should be able to access the service.